This video is for you if you own a smartphone and want to make money with it. In today's video, you won't need to take out any cash advances because this strategy is absolutely free. All you have to do is download the 3 applications we'll demonstrate in today's video and you'll be ready to go. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now the name of our first website is this right in front of your screens. And don't worry, because I'll be showing you in a bit how you can go to this page by using the URL that I'm gonna reveal later on. On their website, here's what you'll see. A better user testing tool with no subscription or monthly fees needed. Get better insights from our panel of high-quality testers, no subscription needed, new monthly fees, $60 per user test. When you scroll down a little, you'll see that this website is trusted by over 500 organizations, and some of these are very large organizations that are well known in the industry. They have over 140,000 qualified testers all over the world, and over 500 happy clients who use UserFeel for a better website or app. They also showed here how UserFeel compared to other popular user testing tools, like there's no need for a subscription unlike other apps. They'll show the cost of subscription plans and many more. So right here, why do user testing? Why are people paid to test something? Here's why. It helps you discover your user issues, frustrations, doubts, needs, and desires. Knowing this helps from high-impact ideas for improving your website usability, conversion rates, and revenue. It helps you discover bugs that you didn't know had on desktop and mobile in a different browser types. Fixing these bugs quickly help you reduce exits and increase conversion rate. Okay, now go to the bottom of the page and under Tester section, click on Get Paid to Test, because we're here not as a customer, but as someone who wants to use their phone to earn money. So click this and it'll take us over to this page, Become a Tester. Now kindly fill out all of these information right here, like your first name, last name, email address, and then confirm it, your country, and as you can see, this is available worldwide, so wherever you're from, don't worry, because this is also for you. Next is your birth year, password, and confirm it, and so on. You may click on this to read all of their frequently asked questions on becoming a tester on this website. Become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. Read the following instructions and watch example videos to understand what our customers are looking for from a tester. Now, what do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks, like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. This helps site owners find and fix usability issues. Do testers need to buy products or services from the websites they test? No, you may be asked to go through the checkout process of online stores, but most of the time the scenario will ask you to stop before clicking on the final submit button. In any case, you should not enter your real credit card details while performing a test. Okay, over here, what equipment do I need to be a tester in order to test websites and get paid $10 per test? Well, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer. If on the Windows, you need to have a Windows 7 or newer OS. Your computer also needs to have a microphone, either internal like most laptops have or external. If you need to buy an extra microphone, even the cheapest one selling for around $2 will work. Should I use my real name and address while conducting a test? No, you should use a fake detail while conducting a test. And what language should I speak? You should speak in the language of that test. You'll be sent tasks in your native language and sometimes in another language that you have set as fluently spoken in your profile. so you should never be asked to speak in languages that you don't speak fluently. What is the qualification test, and why do I need to take it? The qualification test is an initial test each new tester needs to take in order to verify that they have a microphone and that they can speak their thoughts while completing the tasks. Based on this qualification test, testers receive the first rating that will determine if and how often they'll get to paid usability tests. There's no payment for the qualification test, and before we get to the second website, this site can be found at userfield.com. Go check out this URL now and do everything we suggested you to do to earn money online. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. For the second website, which is Honeygain, go over to honeygain.com. Passive income effortlessly. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. Easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for its streaming platform subscription. Unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Earn without compromising security. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks or gains access to the storage of your device. Know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your device apps act like the View Towers and help world-famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. Here's how this app or website works. Set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or Android device with a stable internet connection. Run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection together with bits of information that's publicly available online. Help businesses. Credible company use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business process. Get paid. Users earn the money for all the traffic that they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or Bitcoin. You may click here and register now to get a free $5 sign-up bonus. Awesome, right? Okay, for our last app, go over to moneyapp.org, and this is what it should look like. On this app, you can earn money by completing simple offers. This is available on both iOS and Android, so you don't have to worry if you're an iOS user because you may also bring this app. So click on this tab if you're an Android user, or click on this if you're on iOS, and it'll take you here on the App Store where you can now download this app, Money App Cash and Rewards App 12 Plus Earn Money with Small Tasks. Number 1, Best Rewards App. Get money for completing tasks, giving opinions, checking store displays, mystery shopper, testing services, free trials. New tasks are updated often, so you never run out of money-making opportunities. You can do it anytime, and you can dedicate as much or as little time as you want. There are no complicated missions, and best of all, it's a fun and quick way to make a few extra bucks. Money App pays fast, no gift cards or discount. You are paid hard cash in your PayPal account. So how does it work? Number 1, complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards. Number 2, redeem your credits for cash via PayPal. And number 3, get paid in 2 to 3 working days. They have a 4.9 out of 5 rating, which is the best, and here you can read all the positive reviews about this app to show that this is definitely legit and paying, and that's all there is to it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.